Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yana here again. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. Okay, I think by reading the title, all of you would have known what is this unboxing all about. Okay, my birthday was just recently and my husband was asking what would I like to have for my birthday. Frankly, there's a lot of things that I want. However, after thinking and setting my priorities, the thing that I most need at the moment is a ring light. So I told my husband, okay, I think I will have the ring light. Then he was saying that, okay, go and Google, go and search. You purchase it first, then I will reimburse you, because he say I know better what I want and it's easier for me to purchase instead of him. I've googled eBay, I've googled Lazada, and I've googled other online shops, but I find that the best deal ring light was from Ezbuy. So this light was purchased from Ezbuy. This ring light costs $118.01 Singapore dollars. The shipping fee is $10.14. The agent fee is $10.25. However, they have waived the agent fee. Probably they're having some promotion or something. So the total cost of this ring light is $128.15. Delivery takes about a week. If you want it to be delivered to your home or to a certain address, it's another cost to it. However, I choose to pick up from the delivery location. Okay, when you purchase from Ezbuy, when you entered your postal code, you're able to detect a few Ezbuy delivery location, meaning that the van will be in this particular car park and you have to pick up this item yourself. So this is actually my first Ezbuy purchase. So I went to this particular car park near to my home, and there is this van and there's a queue to it, meaning that probably a few person who stay in that location has selected that location to be their pick-up location. So all of them reach at that spot and pick it up. The pick-up time is from 7:30 p.m. to 7:50. That's about 20 minutes of time. And of course, there are other options of pickup time and delivery that you can choose from. So if you have never buy from Ezbuy, do buy something from there to experience the feel, to experience how it's being picked up, yeah, and to have the overall experience. Without further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. This is how the box look like. Okay, it's quite a huge box. When I saw the box, actually I kind of regret not getting it to be delivered to my home. Its estimated weight is 2.86 kilogram. So it's a big box that I carry from the car park to my home. The box has all this labeling, all this shipment labeling, I would say. And on one of the label here, okay, my name was indicated on it, the delivery pickup address, my contact number, and the zip code of the delivery pickup address, and also the name of the sender, the zip code of the sender, the contact number of the sender, and also the address. And the address is Ezbuy International Holding. So I believe the postal code also belongs to Ezbuy International Building. Oh my god, it's so heavy. No, it's not heavy actually, but there's a weight to it. Okay, come, let's cut it. I do not know where to start this from. Okay, let's start from here. I don't have a pen knife, so I'm using a scissors. Okay, you can cut it from here. Yeah, just open it. It's well sealed. Yay! I'm opening my first Ezbuy purchase product and my first ring light. Very first ring light. I've been wanting to have this ring light for a long time. Due to space constraint, this and that, because I'm still staying with my parents, I tend to procrastinate this purchase. However, I know that I really need this because the lighting for my room when I were to film at home is really bad. However, hopefully with the ownership of this ring light, I'll be more motivated to do a sit-through video, and there will be more sit-through video from me. Ta-da! Okay, come this purchasing. Okay, there's a remote. Okay, there's a remote. And also there's some brochures or manual. Okay, here. Nothing important. It's just pictures of the ring light and how it is to be set up. Nothing important. I think it's very important because without this, I don't think so I know how to set up this ring light. Okay, let's open this bag. Wow, this is a very nice neat bag. It's not heavy actually. I can actually bring this around. Yeah, I can actually bring this around. It's not heavy. But I think the box is heavier than my item. Oh, okay. There's more thing to it. This is actually the light. Okay, and there's a stand here. The stand is the one that makes it heavy, but the light is actually very light. Or else I don't think so I'm able to light up the ring light now. Yeah, before I forgot, before I forgot actually, I purchased the pink color ring light. Okay, let's open the plastic. Ta-da! In this box, it contains one more packaging. Let's see what else it contains. It contains one more packaging. It's really a very nice package, you know, with the black bag. Then there's one more bag that contains the wires and all, and also separately there's a stand. Apart from the stand, I think the whole packaging is really very nice, very pretty and very neat. Come, let's see what is in this. See, very nice packaging, right? Very beautiful. I find it very convenient, and I find this bags very useful also. You can actually use it to store other stuff. Okay, it comes with this. I think it is the neck to attach the light to the stand. This is the phone bracket in case you're using the phone to record or to take pictures. This is the whole adapter. Okay, the adapter, and this is the plug. So there's 4 items here. So the bag contains the ring light and 4 of these items. Okay, let's proceed with the stand. Okay. The stand is really heavy. Not heavy as in really heavy, as heavy as a 10 kg fridge or something, but there's a weight to it, of course. Okay. It looks like this. I'm really excited to try this out. Let me see the plug. Oh goodness, I'm so happy. It is our normal kind of pin, 3-pin plug that's normally used in Singapore. So I'll come back after setting this up. Hi, I'm back and I'm all sweaty and hot from the setup. The setup will be much easier if you are able to read the manual, because the manual is in Chinese. As I'm not able to read Chinese, I was just following the pictures, and as I'm not a very technical person, I'm very bad with all this electrical stuff and all. So to me, it's a bit challenging, but whatever it is, and to cut the story short, yes, I managed to set it up. Though I think that I didn't do this part correctly, which I will actually get my husband to get my husband to actually check on this part, because I don't think so I do it correctly, because it's quite flimsy and I just chuck it there for the sake of chucking. So in a way, I don't think so that I have fixed this part really in the correct slot. Actually, this setup is to demonstrate and to show all of you how the lighting is and what is my first impression on this ring light. Okay, I've set it up and all. This side is the on and off, which you can dim it and make it brighter. So let's start with this. Ooh, it's super bright. Wow, it's super bright. I didn't make it that bright actually, but it's super bright. You see? Okay, I don't know whether I should make it the brightest so that y'all can see. Okay, brighter. Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh my god. No. It's not the max yet. I will not go for that because it's too bright. Okay, but I think I look pretty. I'm glowing, man. Wow. Nice. I think I look good. Ooh. Okay. Then there's this knob here. To change color. Ooh. This knob is called color temperature. And you can change it. Okay, this is more orangey. Okay, it's orangey. And this is more to the white. White, you see? And it's really very bright, very nice. Okay, I'm loving this ring light. It is an 18-inch ring light, and I'm loving it so much. Now I can do more see-through video because I've got a good light. Okay, so actually I'm loving it. Yes. Nice, right? Wow, it looks so nice. Ouch. Wow, I'm loving this light. Goodness, I'm loving it so much. Oh my god, goodness. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you appreciate this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do leave your comments, as I would love to hear from all of you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love all of you. Have a good day.